if you own a LIC stock, then recently your stock got hit by the order published by the SEBI on 3rd of June, which is basically about the Rajesh Export, a giant gold and jewelry export business. You got me right. It claims that more than 15.50 lakh of crore was inflated by the company. It was shown a kind of fake revenue. At the same time, this revenue was equal to the entire country's half budget. You got me right. So first tactic. So basically Rajesh Export own a massive refinery situated in Switzerland named Welcamby. So the Welcamby recorded a revenue of 4 lakh crore rupees over paper, okay? But actual revenue, when the forensic auditors found that it was just 542 crore, and on paper if you see, less than 2% of the revenue came from the India. At the same time, they reported that kind of the circle was created by the Rajesh Export, where they were literally revolving same batch of gold in the circle in order to create fake buy and sales. By that thing way they were able to inflate their revenue. But यहाँ पे बात खत्म नहीं हुई, यहाँ से इन्होंने दूसरी एक और चीज़ करी. So हुआ ये, राजेश मेहता, the managing director of the Rajesh Export, basically used to trade in derivatives. मतलब कि गोल्ड को खरीदना बेचना ऑन पेपर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ओके. और जब भी यहाँ पे लॉस फेस होता था तो द लॉस यूज टू बी कवर्ड बाय द कंपनीज फंड्स, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू मास्क द मिसिंग कैश फ्रॉम द शेयर होल्डर्स आई, ही यूज टू क्रिएट फेक सेल्स एंड बाय. इट वॉज अलेक्ड by the SEBI. At the same time, यहाँ पे ये भी बोला गया है that when finally, just because of when retail shareholders literally knocked down the door of this Rajesh Export, they found that a massive pile of trade receivables was shown uncollected from the last 2 years, and due to this thing they found and they literally got caught. That is the reason. So due to this situation, more than 12,700 crore market value got wiped out from the shareholders' wealth. At the same time, a massive giant, basically LIC, faced a loss because of somehow they were owning more than 10.8% stake in this company, and when more than 80% stock crashed, so they suffered the loss. So if you like the content, follow the channel.